Okay, how do we get full value in the classroom out of the individual activities to revise content in Quizlet? So in Quizlet, on any particular study set, you can do these activities under study, um, or you can play, and the play activities are more competitive and you are competing against classmates. So the first one we're going to look at is flashcards, and this is an electronic equivalent of the old cardboard flashcards that many of us would have used to study in the past. And the way they work is you click on the card and it shows you the other side. Okay, so here we've got the kind of question, or it might be the definition, and then the answer or the term, depending on how the particular set is set up. Okay, and then if we click down here, it goes to the next card. Next card. Okay, so next card, here we've got a question with a picture and then the answer. All right, so you can do it manually like that, or you can press on play here, and then that will automatically go to the next card and will sequence through the study set from one card to the next. And so you'll get the one side and then the other, and it does it at a nice gradual pace so the learner can just be thinking and recalling and answering. Okay, so I'm going to unclick that. The other one you can do is just shuffle, and that means that they're not in order. So once they know them reasonably well, it can be good to test them further. Under options, you can change whether audio's on and off. So without audio on, we can also click on here.
C. William Hobson.
And it will tell us. So it will give us pronunciation. So that can be on, which it currently is, or it can be off. You can answer the answer with the term or the definition. So those are options. So that's the first study method that you can use for Quizlet.